Hi, this is Kevin Delaney, and right now I have hiccups. I get hiccups very rarely. We'll see if one comes there he is, as I'm speaking. But I do get them, like everybody, every now and then, and I have a foolproof method for getting rid of them. So the next time you get hiccups, you can try this. What you do is take water into your mouth, open your mouth, and tilt your head back. Breathe very hard through your nose. Probably for about a minute or so. That's what I'm going to do right now. Swallow the water. Breathe normally. Hiccups are gone. Now, I don't know how this method works, I just know that it works. I've used it for many years. I've recommended it to other people with very great success. Apparently, you're in some way stifling or suffocating the hiccup. When you tilt your head back, you're not hiccuping. The only way that the air can come out at that point is through your nose. The water forces your throat to close, and it's apparently impossible to hiccup through your nose. So try this method, see if it works for you. You can leave a comment on YouTube or on my blog, which is wealthybohemian.com. Thanks, and I'll talk to you again soon.